Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time, if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 33 points, that is 0.04%, and settled at 76,456 points. Nifty 50 is up by 5 points, that is 0.02%, and settled at 23,264 points. Bank Nifty is down by 75 points, that is 0.15%, and settled at 49,705 points. Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index is up by 430 points, that is 0.81%, and settled at 53,666 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 96 points, that is 0.55%, and settled at 17,571 points. De Nora CEO says group has already orders for electrolysis worth 2 gigawatt capacity. With this positive comment, stock surged up in today's session. State Bank of India has launched SME Digital Business Loans, offering end-to-end sanction turnaround time of up to 45 minutes for SMEs, small and medium enterprises. SME Digital Business Loans leverages technology and an ecosystem of APIs, application programming interface, to streamline the lending process. Utilizing authentic data footprints from sources such as ITR, income tax return, GST, goods and service tax, returns, and bank statements, the bank has developed a data-driven credit assessment engine capable of providing sanction decisions within a remarkable 10 seconds after submitting the required details, without any human intervention, SBI said in a statement. The proposition eliminates the need for traditional credit underwriting and lengthy appraisal processes. For loans up to 50 lakhs rupees, SBI has waived the requirement for financial statements, relying instead on transaction history and GST returns for appraisal, the bank said. Dredging Corporation of India Limited wins large order worth 2016 crore. With this positive news, stock locked up in upper circuit of 10% in today's session. JBM Auto share price gained in the opening trade on 11 June after the company's subsidiary JBM Electric Vehicles signed an agreement with Muon India Private Limited, a Macquarie Group company. Under this agreement, JBM intends to deploy over 2,000 electric buses, 9 MTR, 12 MTR and other variants, with Muons, over the next couple of years. Cairn Oil and Gas, India's largest private oil and gas exploration and production company, part of Vedanta Group, has announced the implementation of alkaline surfactant polymer flooding in the Mangla oil field in Burma, Rajasthan, marking the largest commercial injection implemented in any oil and gas field in India and amongst the very few done globally. This milestone highlights Cairn's ability to innovate technology breakthroughs that help recovery from matured fields and accelerate future field development, enabling it to achieve its goal of contributing 50% of India's oil and gas production. The Union Bank of India board has approved to raise 10,000 crore rupees of capital in board meeting held on Tuesday, 11 June 2024. This 10,000 crore rupees through subject to the approval of Government of India. The construction PSU NBCC India Limited, in a BSE filing, said it has recently been awarded orders worth 878.17 crore rupees. To specify, it has bagged an order from Kochi Metro Rail Ltd, valued at 700 crore rupees. In addition, NBCC has secured orders from Hindu College, University of Delhi, Institute of Company Secretaries of India and Oil India Limited. These three orders are worth 69.71 crore rupees, 8.62 crore rupees and 99.84 crore rupees, respectively. As of March 2024, promoters held a 23.24% stake in the company. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. It has gained 93.67% in 2024 so far. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.